We are back again, day 4. Can you believe it? Where has this week gone? So we're going to be doing the same thing. This time I have got 6-sided shapes. Shout at the screen if you know what a 6-sided shape is called. Yep, that's pretty good. And so we are going to start today with 600 and we are going to find a quarter of it. So we're going to take our 600 and we are going to find a quarter of it. Find a quarter of 600. When we've got that answer, we're going to carry on our journey and we are going to go to this next one here. So 600, find a quarter. Whatever the answer is to that, you are then going to times that, multiply that by 100. Once you've got that answer, once you've done those first 2 steps to finding a quarter, multiplying it by 100, you are then going to divide it by 3. Again, you can use the bus stop method, but you might not need to here. You might just be able to use your known facts. I will leave that up to you. Best method. Then you are going to subtract 2,685. I would suggest here the column method. And remember, if you are poor, borrow next door. Hoping that some of you who know me are shouting that out at the screen. Then finally, when you've got your answer down to here, you are going to remember your bidmas. What is it you need to do first? If I've got 4 squared plus 49, which bit do I need to do first? This one or this one? Nobody knows. Well, you do know actually. You absolutely know. And if you don't, then you need to be doing more maths. Right, I am going to allow you to work that out. Remember, we start at 600. Find a quarter of that. Whatever the answer is to that, we multiply it by 100. Whatever you find then, you divide by 3. Whatever you find then, you're going to take away 2,685. And then whatever you find at the end, you're going to add 4 squared plus 49. I'm going to pause. You're going to work it out. And everybody's happy. So here we go, 600. If we get 600, we need to find a quarter, so we divide it by the denominator, which makes 600 divided by 4. Or you could do 60 divided by 4 is 15, so 600 divided by 4 must be 150, our known facts. And then times it by 1. Oh, that's tricky. Then we're going to multiply by 100. Now, if it's a number like 150, there are 2 zeros there. You just whack the 2 zeros on the end, multiply by 100. Then we're going to divide it by 3, which then takes us down to 5,000. So we had 15,000 there, 5,000 there, and then what we have is, and again, you can use it, we can take away the zeros. You could then work out 150 divided by 3 and work out how that's going to work, or even 15 divided by 3, and then add the zeros back on. So we are down to 5,000. Then we're going to use our column method, and remember, if you are poor, borrow next door. So we're going to have to probably at the start get rid of this, make it a 4, move it across to here, make it a 10, then make that a 9, make that a 10, make that a 9, make that a 10, and down and down and down until we get to 2,315. Then we do 4 squared. So we have to do the 4 squared bit first, which is 4 times 4, and then whatever we find there, we add the 49, and then we add it on to our 2,315, and your answer should have been, to the end of all that, 2,380. Stay safe, guys. I will speak to you again tomorrow, and I hope you are keeping well.